In today's video, we will be looking at the best cryptocurrencies to invest into in 2022. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still by a wide margin the most well-known cryptographic money, and its value development unequivocally affects the remainder of the crypto market. It is viewed as the first crypto, and its send-off in 2009 is which begun the entire cryptographic money development. The openness to Bitcoin has induced crypto financial backers to understand that Bitcoin is one of the top digital forms of money that could hit new highs in 2022. Ethereum, ETH, is a decentralized programming stage that empowers true agreements and decentralized applications, DApps, to be fabricated and run with no vacation, extortion, control, or obstruction from an outsider. The objective behind Ethereum is to make a decentralized setup of monetary items that anybody on the planet can openly get to, paying little mind to identity, nationality, or confidence. Crypto financial backers are anticipating that Ethereum should take over Bitcoin in the future in the digital money market. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is the digital currency given by Binance Trade and exchanges with the BNB image. Binance Coin at first ran on the Ethereum blockchain with ERC20 norm, yet has since turned into the local coin of the Binance chain. Binance is viable with any brilliant gadget and lets crypto financial backers begin exchanging securely. It is one of the most incredible digital forms of money expected to arrive at new highs in 2022. Polkadot is a one-of-a-kind POS digital money pointed toward conveying interoperability among other blockchains. Its convention is intended to interface permissioned and permissionless blockchains, just as profits, to permit frameworks to cooperate under one rooftop. Polkadot's center part is its handoff chain that permits the interoperability of shifting organizations. Solana is one of the top cryptographic forms of money that could contact new highs in 2022 in the advanced wallets of crypto financial backers. This digital money is known for viable, quick, and oversight-safe blockchain for worldwide reception. It is relied upon to have a drawn-out expansion in the cryptographic money cost in 2022 with a promising future. Solana has been a top entertainer in 2021, ascending through the positions of altcoins to turn into the fifth most significant digital currency on the planet. Cardano, ADA, is an Ouroboros verification of stake digital money that was made with an examination-based methodology by designers, mathematicians, and cryptography specialists. The task was helped to establish by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 beginning establishing individuals from Ethereum. In the wake of having a few conflicts with the course that Ethereum was taking, he left and later assisted with making Cardano. Tai is a digital currency that is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain with tokens gave by Tether Limited, which thusly is constrained by the proprietors of Bitfinex. Tai is notable for being a stablecoin without giving that high instability like the standard digital money market. It ties the worth to the cost of the US dollar or the euro and is coordinated fixed to the dollar. Consequently, crypto financial backers can purchase this digital money today to acquire benefit without agonizing over bringing about a gigantic misfortune. Coin. Financial backers who need to investigate the crypto space without facing exorbitant danger challenges favor a steady cryptographic money like USD coin. USD is an incredible choice for customary financial backers searching for a low beta speculation that can produce returns better compared to CD. This digital currency has massive development potential, and it could arrive at new highs in 2022. Dogecoin, seen by some as the first meme coin, created a ruckus in 2021 as the cost of the coin soared. The coin, which involves a picture of the Shiba Inu as its symbol, is acknowledged as a type of installment by some significant organizations, including the Dallas Mavericks, Kronos, and, maybe most remarkably, SpaceX, an American aviation maker claimed by Elon Musk. XRP permits monetary foundations to move cash with reasonable charges and least postponement, drawing in many significant banks from around the world. Despite the fact that XRP has stayed uninvolved, generally, its value esteem began flooding around April 2021. XRP is one of the most mind-blowing cryptographic forms of money expected to arrive at new highs in 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tell me in the comment section below which of these coins you will be looking to invest into in 2021.